Bakit ka man?
Ganda ako.
Ha? Na ano?
Kagandahin
ka?
Dandawa.
Sino? Ay, dandawa. Paguna ko, ikaw mag-aindo. Kagayon sa puto ni Dudang.
Ay, pangit. Oh, mayroon na minto.
Kagayon.
Darakulo po.
Nagsaron ko at ano yan? Ay!
Kam na kami, di mamo.
Katuna kam na! Kamu na!
Ay, tubahan na ka.
Kamu na lang!
Ito kay Mama Mintos. Wala ka.
Hi, Sir Chris Lynch! Hi, hello, hi, Sir Ralph Pasler. I'm fine. Sir Ralph. I miss you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Chris. I come from Germany. Yes. Yes, Sir Ralph. I know you're from Germany. Opo. Hi, Sir Card. Hi, Rob. How are you? From Sir Card. Hi, Sir Card.
Nakabangit. 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 Bakit na? Sino maganda? Ikaw o si Mama? Sino maganda? Si Mama at si Mama?
Saan ka ni Mama? Hi, Amet Patil. Thank you. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Where from? From Philippines. Hi, good evening, Gary Antonio. Thank you. Winter is coming. Our winter is coming there. Where are you from? Sir Charlie, I'm from Vienna. Sir Kurt from Vienna. I thought you were from Austria. What is your name? My name is Sheryl. Where is your beautiful? Hi, Belly Dismore. Hello from Topito. Emis Patas. Where is that place? Oh my god, I don't know that place. Nice name. Thank you. Amen. Thank you so likes. Sir James. Hi, Sir James. Thank you. I love you. Vienna is the capital from Austria. Do you know what some geography lesson? I don't know. Sorry, Sir Cart. I didn't know. I just know about the Philippines, something like that. But the other one, I didn't know. Are you married? Getting married pretty soon. I'm getting married soon. Thank you for the likes. Thank you. I love you. Where are you now? Voice is coming. I'm home. I'm home. Okay. Okay. Thank you for the kwan. What do you work? I have no work. If you kwan, if you help me to earn money. Oh my God, thank you so much.
Ay, ginagawa mo. Padandot tayo dyan. Mas majaging saga.
Charge mo na yan to. First starter.
Hindi yun, nagpapala ko ba sa mga charger?
Dinala ko mga charger sa pasakay. Charger sa pasakay, dinala ko.
Tapos nagawin yung
Oo. Yun nga ako naman na yun. Tatawaran tayo. Charger.
walang pagmagamit ko.
Thank you so much.
Dinala ko yung charger.
It's your brother, my niece, my nephew, my sister. He's my brother, and the other, they are my sister's son.
Pero di na ito abuto niya. Ngayon, sabi na lang. Maski pa kakao.
Sabi mo nga ako nakakanta?
Hindi ko, kaya kayo hindi rin nagtendency yun. Ba't ito kung uyang ko, pati yung gakan, wala. Ikaw, baka kang bad mood kanina.
Hindi, naman ako makapit. Hindi ako makano.
Ah,
Pasat na baga parehas.
nalimot ako na eh.
Pasat na baga ho.
Full family members,
Pasat.
yes.
Pasat
Family.
pa yun. Naman ba na ba
Masino
yun?
ka na da?
Mula. Wow, pag. Bangon mo. Hindi ako na.
Taligad ka, kadiri pantay sa luyo ng bintay.
Hindi na nga bantay. Ihubag.
Ito na ba?
Ihubag.
Ito na ba, tita? Mo lang yan kay Puan.
Kaya pa namin.
Oh, doon ako anita, oh. Oo. See the difference. Nagkaroon sa
Turo na daw mo pa ako.
Masino ka?
Katumba ka, aray.
Masino yun?
Dito sa may laway.
Masino na yan, da?
Napait.
Masino na yan, yun. Nasuntok yun.
Ganalog yun. Ganalog.
Baka malang nakisuntong ka na eh.
Parang
Ano kahapon? What is time?
Oo, kahapon.
Time here now is
Ganun pa.
pagmamahal sa motor na.
Ano mo sagot sa mas jogging sa akin?
56.
Jogging ka pa yun.
Ikaw pa ako mag-jogging.
Okay ka, tita? Ang jogging? Saga.
Susumba kami sa
Ay, masumba na.
Susumba.
Ay, so di rin exercise si tita.
Sige mo si Banit.
Maupod ko nga.
Jogging pa ka rin.
Si Lamin, maupod.
Sa
Si Janet
aga,
maupod.
aga?
Yung sa pagpano,
Aga?
pabalik mo.
Aga?
Oo. Si tatay nga ni maupod. Sabi ko, mag-jogging kung ako, kaso di ko alam kung di naging. Sabi mo si Tanto, iupod mo. Sama-sama
Balik
yung
view, diligan mo agil.
Balib, di? Di rin ba ito?
O kaya kung gusto niyo, dili na lang kamo mag-view. Nagdala na kamo sa may. Dili sa may. Ano, puro boulevard man sa, San Pedro ba? San Pedro ba?
Sa udan.
Pero sa unang sa may pahinang, napita lang.
Your
Wala na
English
ako
speaking is
mapakali.
nice out.
Natog ka mag-view.
Sabi ko, di na nakita. Binubista, tarili ko muna ito, hanggang karido, pabalik na din. Parang karawang ko, ang bot yung mga urupod yun. Basta, kumplito ang kwento.
Paglaw mo ito na karito naman.
Magay man talaga mag-jogging aga.
Aga mo kayo. Bagano lang talaga nag-jogging na hapon. Patok hapon na nga gabi. Kaso, papakarga pa man na gabi na. At mga kaya mga nag-jogging sa nagabi, gali na sumipili. Pag-aga mo sa mga soros.
Kaso ang problema man din sa ayaw na.
Borobode. Wala problema na yan. Ayaw.
Ayaw.
Magay man talaga yes.
Pero sa pagdating ko mga alas 5, okay naman na siguro. Alas 4
Kasi
kaya.
maabot ka mo sa dito. Wala nit na ang baan.
Alas 4 kaya. Magbato.
Pili man.
Di, pakato pa lang karatantan. Ay, karatantan. Pagtantan.
Papasahe ka pala?
Makataw ka rin kanto, mapa dito si kanto.
Nakatuka pa dito.
Makataw ito. Hinganap ko nga, na brown na ayaw, nakapukong mo na ko dito sa kan. Di ko yun naimod, nagadan na da.
Hi, Sir Ben! Long time no see. How are you? I'm fine.
Ba't yung kinaon na ito, kinarni na.
Long time no see, Sir Ben. Then, paano man ka man nag-ano? Hello, Sir Kenneth from USA. Where are you in USA, Sir Kenneth? Where do you live in USA? We are family. Thank you so likes. Thank you so much. Double tap on the screen to like, comment, subscribe, support, and share this channel, everyone. Thank you, Sir Ben. Thank you, Sir Ben. We are family. Thank you so much. You're welcome. God bless everyone. Dagang malala ka ng bantay ko. Thank you po. Thank you for the likes. We are family.
Balik ko na naman. Gawa na pag nabuhat. Balik ko na lang. Kuya Binla.
Kaya naman dito. Thank you so much. Pamatabi ito kaya gab na cellphone ko. Naka-charge. Yep.
9 cents.
Maganda.
Yes, ako
We
tipid.
need to watch our own live. Char.
Lang.
Kung tama ba ito? Thank you so much for watching. Oh my God.
I found it. Baby. Bukan ako duwi.
God is watching.
Good yata go. Iba talaga ako sila ng drawing. Oh, may kalasini. Abay, ay rin mo sinigan.
Very marvelous. Thank you sa likes. Thank you so much. Thank you sa thank you to those who hit the likes. Tanda ko pa noong unang magkita, iyong mga mata at lumapit, parang isang panaginip. Ayokong tawag.
Tawag ka na siya. Tuwing. Dak dito.
Ayoko magising. Thank you so much to those who hit the likes. Thanks.
One piece man, kasi lang diri ko na diri ko.
Kaya Beb, kuha man tabi ito na ano, headset.
Oh, bark mo ulit. Oh, what the fuck?
Watch the one. The movie.
Pero kasi dyan, ako nga yung dira ako nag...
Sino nag-drawing sa to? Ikaw, Gab, ha? Ikaw? You tell me mali. I give it all. You know, I love you. I miss you.
LeBron James ka na nila. LeBron James. May mo kung takita-karta.
Chismoso, Maritoso. Hoy, Cheryl. Hi. Nanonood ako. Ayan o.
Alam pa din.
Ikaw ang binibili na ninanais ko. Binibiling narikit na dalan. How are you, pretty gossip? Huh? Pretty gossip. Ano sinasabi mo? My God. Ikaw, chismoso ka. Chismoso. Ikaw ang binibini na ninanais ko. Musta po, pretty chismosa.
Rin, yan na, mula.
Pretty
Ito lang, hindi
chismosa.
talaga yung rin. Ito lang yung
Kambal ni chismoso, alaga ni Maritoso. Oh my God. Alam mo yan mga ganyan, no? Maritoso.
yan.
Alagad. My God. May kakambal ka pang nalalaman. Taga saan ka? Chismoso. May sagap ka ba na may chichismis sa akin? Isa ka ba sa mga aking mga avid basher, something like that? Ikaw rin chismosa of the year. Paano mo nasabing chismosa ako hindi ko nga alam ang mga ganap sa buhay mo. At wala akong pakialam sa buhay ng iba kasi busy ako in my life. Alam mo kasi pagiging chismosa, nag-iimbento ng kwento.
May gawan pa rin yan.
Nagkukwento ba ako ng kwento dito? Nag-iimbento ba ako ng kwento?
Ako basketball.
Ikaw ang pinaka-chismoso talaga no kasi na
Taringan, pag mata ko.
not basher.
Woo!
Maraming dito nagpapanggap na supporters ko. Alam mo yun, mga larping. Pero ang totoo, basher kasi. Fake people. The liars. Something like that. Pretending to be my friend. Can you tell some info? Can you tell that song Nimpo? I like that song. Anong song?
Ay.
Taga saan ka, Maritoso? Saan ka chismoso, Maritoso?
Iba na yun ha.
That you will sing right now. Dalaga. You know what the dalaga? You know what that means, the song dalaga? Tagalog song. Binibini. Ikaw ang binibini na ninanais ko. Binibining narikit na dalangin ko. About the Filipina city of Chismis, Baguio. My God, I don't like chismoso. I don't like that because being a chismoso and chismosa, they are the one. Like their born life is being. They are one to, you know what, scientists for being the history. The title of that song, Binibini. Binibini. Ikaw ang binibini. I am a gossip but I'm not a rubberband. I'm chismoso pero di ako bastos.
Kaya di lang ako ito.
Something like that. Thanks for info po. No worries.
Andiri lang pala yun.
Can you stand up, please? Why should I stand up? If you want me to sing, you need to click my channel and then you will see my whole body. You will see I'm dancing and walking. I'm from Makati or BGC. Oh well, Chismoso Marituso. I think you are from selected or good city. So that's why you are, I thought you are an educated person. So being an educated person, having a good personality are the man. Because a lot nowadays, even you are having a good life, quality life, or an educated, lack of manners and right conduct. So what's the point of being educated or having a good life or something like that? But if you have a lack of good manners and right conduct, something like that. I'm not saying that you just like that, but just in general. I'm saying the general. Because you're talking to me like you calling me that just most or something like that. But you just feeling close to me, but you didn't know me like my whole story. So just so easy for you to see something like that without hesitation, knowing that person, something like that. How I'm uneducated, how I'm uneducated pa. I'm asking, are you from the Makati? I'm not from Makati. Oh my God, you look at the one. You look at my place. I'm living in the province. I'm not rich. How is that project using if I ask you? No, I thought you saying that you are from the BGC. Sorry, I misunderstand. Oh, sorry. You asking me. I thought you said because I asking you, where you from? So that's why I misunderstand. I thought you said you are from Makati or BGC, something like that. I'm not saying that abusing. I'm not saying that. I'm just telling the facts. I'm from Baguio. Okay. Sorry. Baguio sa... Ha? Sa'yo lang? Ang sayo? Kaya di ho. Sa'yo lang. Ayan. Yeah, it's a misunderstanding po. Okay. Sorry for the misunderstanding. Di pa ang sayo, Gab?
Di pa, ang saya.
Baguio is one of my dream city to visit. Beautiful Baguio. Beautiful city.
Ayan, mas masakit. Bakit sa tiyan?
Are you from Quezon Province, di ba? No, I'm not from Quezon Province. I'm not living in the Quezon Province. I'm living in Bicol Province, not from the Quezon.
Badminton?
Next time, if you have to plan to visit Baguio, let me know. You will be my guest. Okay. Thank you so much, Small Samaritan. So thank you so much for joining
Ang
me.
sa Google ko.
That's one of Baguio City. One of my even my when I'm young age. Baguio is one of my favorite place to visit.
No, nandito ko sa iyo sa science. Ang ko na dito. Dito ko sa Silang ko pa ako sa
Hi, Sir Paulo. Sir Paulo, hello. Thank you so much. We do chismis together, we eat strawberry taho together, and burn up. Oh my God. No, I'm not like that. Why are you my bestie?
curry.
I think we're going there for my, you know what, I'm engaged. So if I'm going there, I'm with my future hobby. So that's why. Sorry, I think I will tell you this. That there's something about me. I'm not so easy to trust for the strangers. For me, you is just still the strangers. So that's why I'm talking to you, being a nice here. So, but that's the thing. I trust you, something like that. I'm not judging you for who you are because you are a different personality, but I trust it's not so easy because I have a issue from the past about your friends with benefits, something like that. So I don't let anyone to take advantage from me. So I never say that you did that to me, but because of my past, I having a so that's why if I meet the strangers most here, I didn't know about you who you are. So my trust is not so easy. I'm so sorry if I offend you, something like that. I'm also nice. Did I hurt you or offended you? I don't think so far. No, it's so fine. I'm just saying that I'm not. I'm just being talk to you nice here, but my trust is not something like I give other people talk a stranger here, so something. I don't want to open you, but it's me. I'm just telling you the truth. So I'm just being honest, something like that. Because I having a experience from the past, being I'm nice, I trust, but people even so much close friends from me, so that's why they take advantage for being because they think I'm so nice, so that's why I don't want to happen to me again. Most for my future partner in life, I don't want to be involved that time because I need to take care of myself also, and then my family and friends, and my family and my future partner. Don't worry, some person have trust is you totally get it as like, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I'm just being honest. So, hope it I'm not offended. I'm just feeling
Kaya mo yan?
who I am. Because I talk to you nice, but if someone did bad to me, so that's why I need to avoid the any of a problem in the future. But I like Bicol Express. Yes, I love Bicol Express. My God.
Ganda na makakitagwap. Daw,
Yes,
binigay ko
I
na
live in Bicol, so I love Bicol Express.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Being yes, that's right. Being pervert is not good. I don't like.
Sakitan.
I never allowed that into my life.
Daddy, yung baga.
Never. It's okay for having
Iya ka naman.
it's okay for having friends, a lot of friends. Even a one or two or three friends, it's fine.
Uy, ka.
I don't like how the people they will like you, but they are fake. I don't like that. So that's why at my trust is not so easy.
Oo, iisay ko na talaga yata.
Baka I know the piso.
Kasi may tawag ako.
Sino?
Uy! Uy! Kapis! Ako yan!
Yes, okay na yun.
Adi na.
Adi ha, meron ko pero may kagatlihan na jowa ka. Eh, sige daw. Baka talaga gusto ko.
Yeah, ako isa.
Pero ba?
Boom!
Ha?
Style.
Pero kanina, bali mo raga na ko. Nali ko naman video.
Boarding.
Ay, adi. So, pasiguro na ako pero naman.
Aliyan na, tagabon na. Ano yan?
Kausap mo naman sa alam mo, adi.
Dili naka-live ako.
Hello, guys.
Hello guys, welcome to my guys. Hello.
Pero sa resort mo. Ay, nakainig sa mga batang naglalaro. Adi mo ka dito.
Oh,
Shout out mo si Dula.
Dua lang?
Dua lang yan. Ako na nabiling kahapon sa likod. Yan, nangaya ako sa liba na para mabukas ng mga
ana bawal boarding ha, ringless. Ana, tidak nagpakot sa salamin.
Ayun.
Hello.
Hello.
Say hi. What's up? Hi Oscar. Uruguay, Filipinas love. Thank you so much. Online order from Lazada or Shopee. No, at night order. My God. Nagulat ako sa Lazada or Shopee. At the one at night click it.
Pag una na sa mo, deliver, ano.
It's not a delay. It's a part of my job. That's why I need to sign
Hindi
signature.
ba delivery bata?
Basico. Uy, ang bilis.
Bahay ko sa
Hello. Oh my God, kinuog ako. Hello. Oh my God. So cute.
Sabi nyo, hindi naman kasi unang bata na nagtitindog na sulusay ko. Di lang
Oh,
pagkuhan na
God,
Luis
cute.
sa nakukumin.
Hello. Yes, Lazada can order at night. I don't have money to pay, so sorry for me. No Lazada. No shopping online. I'm broke. My God, marry me. Why should I marry you? My God, I don't know you. One is your son, no? Oh my God, I hope I have a son who can sing like this. My God.
Dito ko yung butangan rin ko sa pinakaitas daw. Ha? Pinakaitas? Eh, kaso ang kuryente.
Bunahan na makso.
Ah,
Ay, nangyayelo ka na.
ah, yeah. Makuha na ang bangga. Ako,
Araw ng pahinga, pero Panginoon ka ba?
pero ano, ibig sabihin?
Sa mga agi, pero ibang English, 5,000 may pakilo.
Kunti ka na lang kahit sa'yo yung kaipit mo na lang. O, ma'am. May pinakaitas daw. Oo, magsaka. Maranihan ka. Kaya pa ka. May mood kita sa live. Ano? Daw, tulog ka.
Galit natin yung may nakalabas ngayon. Hindi ka tumalang?
Mr. Pat!
Kanina niyo, may wala pa dapat sabihin. Sabihin mo kung hindi ka pa.
Yan, yan ang tayo.
Action natin ang bata. Oo, kay si Ma'am Lina, kay si Ma'am Lina, automatic na yan.
Yan,
Nasa yung
Ay, may takba ka na.
Kuha mo sa harap. Sabi ko, sa katawa.
Abot ko yun.
Sabi ko,
Iya ko yun, bakbakan.
kasi doon nito, sabi ko, di yun sila takaton. Ano lang, kami tsaka pag nakakita.
Ayan, baka.
Ako sa trabaho niya, gusto ko kung pwede sa akin, mga ito. Sa kayo, wala pa holiday. Bawal ko nung namin doon. Malayo pa din.
Ayan, baka.
Malayo pa din.
Maski na magayon ang maganda sa takas.
Ha?
Takala.
Pero sa muna, ninirin ka. Kung narito, sa paglibot, ano ka sa pa ko na. Siguro pa dun sa elementary kaya kung minamahagis na rin yung magamit at At sinabi mo, nabi mo ulit, balay mo kasi ayaw doon mo,
Ay, gabi.
sabagay siya nung kanay si Jun, sabi ba ganit masyado naniniwala kaya po naging lang siya, hindi pa siya katulik. Pero niyan,
Bang!
ano sabi? Marano ko isang pangurang. Nag-awat ko nung.
Bang, sige. Bang!
Pinagay na yun. Mga pang-amudol ko.
Bang! Shoot!
Pinangalan niya kami kasama may susugar.
Curry!
Madang silba na yun.
Ron! Yeah!
Bago kasi nakaon, 6 months.
Buset!
Dali suman. Parang karamang kung ano yan sa nakagin. Bata niya ang bata.
Estoy dyan ang guwapo!
Ano yun?
Abang Ryan yan.
Karamang
Galing.
ang bata. Sabi ko siya.
Guys, gusto nyo ba malaman yung secretary?
Sabi ko,
Ganito lang yan. Hindi yan nakachat. Kasi hindi ko pinachat. Kasi ba ang otot? Kasi yan ko yung
Oo, basta sa klase.
Ay, kaya.
Kasi mga bitirawan, bata niya na yan. Sabay, pamangkin niya dito ito.
Ako si Kari. Si Kari.
Ayun, bagang kapal.
Kasi tulong pala yung secret niya.
Sabi ko, sige,
Ay, boarding. Boarding. Ano, boarding? Boarding ka sa board.
talaga sa nakauli na ito. Wala man ako rin.
Ganun pala yung secret na libro din. Dapat pag wala na bitaw.
Kasi, ano kasi niya?
Bawal magdadala sa board.
Madaha, una pa doon.
Ah?
Ang taon na yata sobra. Kasi hindi ko man mag-aram, hindi ko na-order na sa nangyayari.
Ay, makauna ka naman, Mike.
Chika-chika, pag may ano da. Imudan ko ga, ako nung nag-check ka na, imudan mo yan, may angkas na babae. Sabi ko, uy, may ang balita sa ina, sa naman ano. Ano mo? Sabi ko, may babae. Sabi ko, wala naman kami. Sabi niya, tapos by the time na yan, ano na siya? Burong. Burong na. Ha? Masalimot na nangyari. Hindi ko alam kung masalimot ko kasi ang niya is Diyos. Kaya ang Diyos talaga nakagano pa. Kaya, ako kayo tanongin mo niya. Ang ayot na. Diba? Yes, diba? Kaya lang. Si ano nga kayo na? Si ano ko rin. Oo, may naraway ka niyan. Pinanti, lululoy. Naraway ka niyan. Makapal. Sorry, pagay mo lang sa ko. Sabi nga nito naman. grabe na nalilig mo.
Parang pagkatawas ko.
Namatay sa sulod, ipanakaw sa mga sabay sarang gusto na pasyente, nakagawa sa gusto na hanap. Hanap, sa on-bay, sa sulod, asawa. Ano na ulit nga doon kapag asawa mo? Kaya ang bantay mo, niisip ko siya na gurang. Sa tao, parang sarang ano, okay. Isang
Nagsawad ka doon sa nabili mo sa
hello? Mag-isa na lang sa loob.
Ako may gusto mo.
Kaya ba? Bigyan mo leg mo. Pero mahal sa mga namin sila. Kung nalilimot ako niyan, kung maalala ko naman. Nalilimot ka ako sa grade 2. Sika rin ba ba't niya dire? Pero ano ka klase mo, mahal ka na hindi kaya kaya hindi naman naging kaya nagsabi ko, kaya sa klase mo, mahal baka daw sa mga sa mali, kada mo, diba, tapos ako, ikot sa ako, hindi na bigay na hindi na ako kay paano mali, kaya nakada ko sila, nakada nila, so, nakakadami ko, kasi ko talaga ako. Kasi ano, masasabi na naman sa kalugay sa ibigay, hindi rin pinatawa yung babae. Ayun ba yun? Kasi parang ngayon ay kakawan niya. Parang sa araw, parang ako magkaroon na sa pera. Ako masabi, ikaw pala rin sa akin, at pagpahin sa ano ba? Ano pa lang ang 75% pa lang, may 25% pa, nakarabad pa po din.
Paano ka mas maglaban na?
Oo, kayo pa lang kasi. Ako sa paglaban, ako hindi mo, ano yung magandaan? Dito na pala na doon na lalaki, nakapagpapag naman. Pero video, mas nag-react na yan. Ay, baka siya din naman sa kaya alam ko kanina, kaya wala mag-eskwela, so ano yung sabi ko, ayaw mo po yung tubuho na pag-natabot sa kanya. Kasi pa paano, kung pinirot na mga trabaho, di mabuburugan tayo. Hindi naman ang problema ko. Kaya ako nagawa sa next day. Sabi ko lang ako kung tapos. Sabi ko, wow, tanghali, sa iyo mayan ng mali, sa iyo magkaroon. Ako mga pagkagabigay sa akin. Siya nagputano, kuha kami sa eskwela na tanghali, at ito na alauna, kaya ito pa na sa Balinalis. Nakapasok nila. Ay, ako sabi ko, isang oras pa sa buhay ko, Ano pa niya sabi ko? Ano na, pinapalitan mo sa buhay ko. May yung ano, makibali ka pa sa mga. Sabi ko, hindi ba kami, ngayon talaga kami. Hindi mawawa. Sabi ko, ang gano'n mo nila. Sa mga tigas ng sila, kaya normal ka na tao. Kaya pakapanganan. Kaya sabi ko, wala pa na sila ng sana. Kaya alam niya, hindi. Sabi nga nila ito sa mga bukan na dahil. Sabi baga didi, ang mga bro balik ang didi. Ang naman ko sa na bata. Ako nung naisip ko kayo. Ano ko no? Maanunuli. Nabuhayan ako. Maon yada doon na. Siya nasa trabaho. Pero di sa balay. Ano nabot niya so sabi ko. Sa iba ko. Ano sa sadiri mo? Sabi ko sa sadiri mo. Di rin ako pero sa casa. Kasi sabi ko saan, nakuha mo ako sabi ko, mas na ako virgin kayo may lumusot na na doon. Nag-agi ka sa sa isusang pagligaw. Tira ka bulan. Naging sagutan kita, diri kay nagbagat lang kita, may nangyari agad sa ato tayo na. Ano mo ba sabi ko kung ano? Ako. Saka sabi ko, naging single ako ng tao. Oo, sabi ko, pero kasi kung tutuso kong lasing ako, sabi ko, sa diri ko balay ko. Nakabilang ako sinapulo. Na piniiba-iba pa. Kung sabi ko, hindi man tayo igsun, sabi ko. Lasingon mo sa paningin lang, hindi sasabihin ko talaga pagkakaya. Kaya sabi ko, ayaw pag... Oo, iisip sabi ko. Pero sabi ko, ako lang na ano maya, marites kayo na, next na ko napitulong niya. Kaya mo kapatid. May makaano maya baga. Bata ko yun, nasabi-sabi sabi ko na, sa iyo yun. Kasi alam mo na nature, ang palibot mo yung aso ng mga bunganga. Magpaparabali. Pinangan eh. Saka sabi ko siya, nag-uli. Nabukayan ako. Diri kayo nag-uli na ay nawara din na biglang. Sabi ko, saan may nangyayari sa ato na naghalik ka? Para mo na, naburot mo na ako. Nagtrabaho, para mo na mabuhay. Nagharayo. Tapos sabi ko, makaano ka doon sa mga pararot. Sabi ko, maisip so ng iba na tao, lalo na mga rarot na himuan. Kay, wala ka din. Di ba? Wala ka din. Sabi ko, basta na kaya so nadaan ka lang. Kaya sabi ko, ay sus, maestro sa mundo. Pakinggan mo lahat ng mga ano, mga randaan. Pero kaya sinabi ko nila, pero ano lang kayo, manawat ko nila talaga. Kasi kung birik yun, nakalit ko yun. Ako din nagkabalikan sa mga bakit ganun? Hindi yan siguro lang. Masarap ang nakabalikan. Ay, may kabalikan. Parang mga kalagyan. Pero natin hinay, palpit, yan ang babae.
Tia, sorry. Sorry, Tia. Oh my God. Oh, samsag. Mr. Pat. Mega love, shout out to sorry. See you later po. Thank you, Chismoso. Sorry, just one. Just busy. My God. I'm watching my... Sorry, just busy. My goodness. So much for the likes and for watching. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, love. Thank you, Bobong. Dapat yung say hi, say hi. Say hi, say hi. Hello, say hi. Didi how? Dito ho. Dito ho.
Hi, Dada Mike.
Daddy Mike is sleeping. Daddy Mike, my God. Kiss mo, wawa. Kiss mo, wawa.
Ano sa niya?
Bye-bye. Good night. Oh, may pit ka. Oh, may pit. I'm alright. I'm alright. I'm alright.
Nakaw ka ha.
Thank you so much, Sweetie.
Mura mo ulit ako.
Ha? Oh, sige. Paano? Thank you so much. Thank you for the 6 people here. Thank you for the likes. Mega love shout out to hit the likes. Thank you. Alright. Thank you so much. Yep.
Ayan, tustos.
Ha?
Tustos.
Ha? Ano na dyan? Grade 6, okay. Good morning, everyone. Huh? What do you mean?
Ah, tustos.
Basit ka.
Oh my God. Thomas, what is that? What do you mean?
Ay, Tagalog si Turin. Basit ka.
Oh, no. That's not.
Ah, Dada.
Thank you so likes. Thank you so much. Ha, what? Mainit ka ba ba? May kintura ikaw. May kintura mo. Doon ko dapat tingin na. Patingin. May kintura ka. Sige, sabi mo ka mama, inom ikaw gamot, medicine, take your medicine na. Oo, mawawa. Thank you for watching. Good morning, everyone. Good morning to you. Good morning, America. Good evening here in the Philippines. Thank you, guys. Thank you, God.
Ayaw, mama, gumot.
Ano sabi ni mama?
Eh, papa ko gumot. Ako gumot.
Gamot, mainom ikaw gamot. Magpapa ka kay mainom ka gamot.
Ha?
Po. Kay pawara-mara na ikaw kintura mo. Sabi mo, magpapa ka kay para mag-inom ikaw gamot. Kato na papa na ikaw para mag-inom ikaw gamot. Dali na.
Yun, doon, kalat. Honest. Honest. Be respectful.
Oh, good.
Bis, honest. Ako na, boy. Oh. May isa pa diyang oblong. Meron po dyan buwan. Sa. Dalawa, tatlo.
Thank you. Oh my God, my life is 1 hour na already. Thank you to hit the likes. Thank you po. Thank you. Thank you. What are you doing, guys? What are you doing now? At this moment. From this moment. Life has begun. From this moment. Wait now. I need to going outside because wait now. Wait for me. Hi, hello. Thank you for the like. Thank you for watching. Come on, let's eat. Aiza, thank you. Aiza, thank you so much for watching. How are you? Thank you to hit the likes. Thank you, Isaac. Tawag ka ni Mama mo, Babang. Oh, thank you. Isagana, thank you for the star. Oh my God.
Iwanan na kita, malalabas
Thank you
na
so
ako.
much.
Mapunta ako dun sa malayo.
Thank you for Sister Liza. Thank you, Liza. Thank you so much, Liza. Liza Gliana. Liza, thank you po. How are you guys? Come on, let's see it. Ah, thank you. Oh my God. Thank you for the gift. Sparkles. Thank you, Michelle. Welcome po. Thank you. Thank you, Ma'am Lisa. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry. Enjoy your meal. Thank you, ma'am. Hi, Marvin. Amen. Oh my God. Excuse me. Thank you for the likes. Oh my God. Hey, Marvin. Hello. Where are you from? Puppy dog. Oh, hi. Thank you, Puppy. Where are you from, Puppy? More than 172,000 equals 0. What do you mean by that? I'm fine, Puppy. I have money. Do you have money? Wow, that's good. Feel grateful if you have money. Feel blessed. I am from Western USA. Nice to meet you, Poppy from USA. Are you? Yes, I'm a Catholic. Where's my? That's why. My question. I'm Orthodox. Orthodox. What is that? Orthodox. Are you a doctor? Something like that? Surgeon? Orthodox is a Christian religion that is a Christian religion that is older than Catholic. But second oldest would be Catholic. Okay. Okay po. Something like that. Are you a priest? In Orthodox religion, we do lots of fasting throughout the year, and people don't eat anything from animal during fasting. Okay. I will speak in a religion here, so that's why no need to no need to talk about the religion. So I will speak about the beliefs of religion. Hi again from SG. What means SG? What SG means? Um, can you can you see that again? Have a little bit of hearing loss because of my crap knocks. I'm sorry. Can you see that again? I have a little bit of hearing loss because of my crap knocks. I'm sorry. I said I will speak all religions in religion. So I think we need to talk about the religion here. So if you are a Christian or Catholic or anything religion, so I respect that, and that's all. Thank you. Hopefully I'm not making you uncomfortable. Sorry about that. No worries, sir. No worries, puppy. Are not you party tonight working? Donnie, I'm at home. Say not say. Na yes. Okay pa. Say not say. Yes pa, puppy. Ha? I'm not Bisaya. Or is from Cebu. I'm not from Cebu. I'm not Bisaya. But I'm living here in the Philippines. So that's why I'm always say that someone people must the foreigner. I said I'm not Bisaya. Oh my God, sorry, but because a lot of foreigners looking for the Visayas, something like from Cebu, because good people there. But me, I'm not from Visaya. I'm not northern Cebu. I'm not from there. That place. Nice. Do you have a friend from Visaya, Papi? Or from Visaya or Cebu? Do you have friends over there, living there? Over there, going there, somewhere there. Shout out. You are probably from a different island in the Philippines. Yes, I'm a different island in the Philippines. A different island. Not from Cebu, not in Manila, not in the different island. For me, where I live is like a beautiful place where I live. but not in Bisaya. Bisaya, something like that. I'm not from the Philippines, but would like to visit. Okay, welcome to the Philippines. Yeah, have lots of places going visiting here in the Philippines, Sir Poppy. Excuse me, what is your real name? Poppy Dogo Dogol? Poppy Dogol? Papi, you're probably also not from Mindanao. No, I'm not from Mindanao. No. Mindanao is also speak Bisaya. But I'm not Bisaya. I'm not from Bohol. I'm not from Bohol. I'm not from Bisaya. I'm not from Mindanao. I'm not living in Manila. I'm not. I'm living also province. Manila is in Luzon, I think. Yeah. The reason I choose that name is because I love animals, different kind. Okay. Puppy, dog, all. Oh my god. Wow. But what is your name? All my favorite. Oh, what the fuck? All your favorite name? Oh my god. Very different. All. Oh my god. Those two big eyes. Those two big eyes, they don't scare me. Dan, my name is Dan. Okay, Sir Dan. Because I I thinking if you're a man or a woman, so that's why maybe I call you sir or mom, something like that. So your name is Dan, so I call you Sir Dan. Thank you, Sir Dan. I can call them all as a pet, or the neighbors might call the agency to take away because they can be very loud. Okay. So that's why you're just the favorite animal, but you don't have a pet. All pet, some pet. Oh my God. Did you see my name just wrote for you? I just wrote for you. Yeah, Dan, your name is Dan. Thank you, Sir Dan from USA. Thank you so much. Thank you to those who sending hearts. Thank you so much. Oh, how old are you, Sir Don? Do you have a family? A happy marriage life? I'm Mel, yes. You're man. That's why your name is Don, right? You're a man. That's why I call you Sir Don. Sir Dan. Excuse me. I want barn owl and great horned owl. Huh? One, two kind of owl. Okay. Great, great horned owl. Owl. Oh my God. Two kind of owl. But I need to search the owl. Oh my God. Barn owl. Oh my God. Ah, so cute. This is the barn owl. This is the barn owl. What? Oh my God. Ah. Ah. Barn owl is loud out. Yeah, it's super cute. I thought the owl is like a big eyes, but this is the different owl. So that's why it's so cute. Beautiful owl. So I need to look the one. The horn owl. Horn. Because all his different themic hissing but with metallic sound. Oh really? Ah, this is the horned owl. Look. The horned owl. Great horned owl. So that's why, oh my God. I like the one. Barn owl. I like the barn owl. Oh my God, snowy owl. Oh my god, I like the snowy owl. That's so cute. Look, snowy owl. Snowy, wow, that's beautiful. I have a different owl. Oh my god. That is the owl. Eastern screech owl. The Eurasian, a different great owl. Oh my god, lots of owl. Barred owl. Oh my god. Wow. All beautiful animals. Yeah, now I know all these beautiful animals. Now I know. Snowy owl. Yeah, snowy. Wow. I like barn owl and snowy owl. Barn owl is beautiful. Beautiful and bird, different birds.
Kaya kung matapos na daw tulog ng maintenance. Kaya hindi niya daw yung
Mythical pet. Mythical barn. A type in barred owl, you will see how different this one is. Yeah, barred owl. Yeah, the barred owl. Look. It's a barred owl. Wow. Sorry sir, I need to end the live because I need to yes, because I need to call my special someone. Sir Dan, I'm getting married soon. If you want to visit the Philippines, you're invited to attend the wedding. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys. I'm watching my own live. No, I like this one also, and the exists in the eastern half of the United States. Thank you, Sir Dan. Thank you so much, guys. Friends here joining the live. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. Thank you to those who hit the likes and sending the hearts, and then the girls, and then watching. Something like will you be back again, sweetie? I do live maybe tomorrow again at night here. I'm doing live again tomorrow night here. So thank you so much. Or when will you be back again? When will you be back again? What do you mean? What do you mean, Sir Dan? When will you be back again? Doing live tomorrow at night. I doing live. He's my son.
Guwapo, handsome.
My God. Thank you so much. I need to end the live. Thank you so much.
Susundan mo. Ikaw ka na.
Ay, ibalik naman tayo. Butang naman tayo dito sa hugasan. Thank you, guys.
No problem. Dahil.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Love you all. Thank you so much.